And thank you for coming to the 42nd annual King Mango Strut.
All right.
Let's hear